Blessings, blessings, great people. Thank you for joining me today. We will be learning about fruits and veggies today. Let's start off with avocado. Avocado in Garifuna is Wagadi. Wagadi. Next up, pineapple. Pineapple in Garifuna is Yeyewa. Yeyewa. And we have papaya. Papaya in Garifuna is Ababau. Ababau. Next up, mango. Mango in Garifuna. It's a pretty easy one. Mangu. Mangu. Next is banana. Banana in Garifuna is Bimina. Bimina. Next we have pepper. Pepper in Garifuna is Ati. It's green pepper, sweet pepper, habanero, jalapeno, Ati. Next is corn. Corn in Garifuna is Awasi. Awasi. Next we have plantain, or plantain as some would say. Plantain in Garifuna is Baruru. 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 And we have watermelon, or Luna melon, as some would say. Watermelon in Garifuna is Badia. Badia. Next we have apple. Apple in Garifuna is Apuli. Apuli, or Masana. Masana. Next we have lime, or lemon. Lime or lemon in Garifuna is Sindurun. Sindurun. And we have orange. Now orange, the fruit, is the same as orange the color. And orange in Garifuna is Aransu. Aransu. And we have tomato, or tomatoes. Tomato in Garifuna is Dumadi. Dumadi. Next up we have onion. Onion in Garifuna is Sebuya. Sebuya. Next we have sweet potato. Sweet potato in Garifuna is Mabi. Mabi. Or Melewe. Melewe. Next up we have grapes. Grapes in Garifuna is Beibei. Beibei. Large up to my family reckless on the track. Thank you for tuning in. And as always, Sereme Ayo.